Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about embracing the challenges of truth fake news detection. Our team members are Sushma, Srinivas, and project topic is in a time when we can easily find a lot of information, there is a big problem with fake news. Our project is all about figuring out what's true and what not. This is really important because it affects politics, money, and how we all get along. We want to make a smart system that can tell if news is true or not. This way, people can make good choices even when there are a lot of wrong information around. Statement of project objective. The primary objective of our project is to devise a state of the art NLP system that can automatically detect and categorize news as fake or real with high accuracy. Construct a comprehensive data set, verified source to train and test our models. Contributing to the body of knowledge in fake news detection by publishing our findings and methodologies. Statement of value. We want to make sure that information you see on social media and in the news is reasonable. We are creating tools so you can check if the news is true or not. This helps everyone know what's really going on, especially during important discussions and elections. Our goal is also to help journalists by making sure that news they report is truly worthy. Relevant works. Scientists are usually really smart computer methods to find fake news. They using things like CNN to pick our important parts of our news. RNN and LSTM are like super detective for understanding how words fit together.
Here are some approaches for the project, and the first one is model focus. Shifting our strategy, we aim to predominantly employ cutting edge deep learning models, particularly those built on transformer architecture such as BET and GPT. These models are well regarded for their capacity to efficiently process and comprehend large amounts of text data, grasping intricate semantic nonsense. And the second approach is hybrid approach to strike a balance between the depth of neural networks and the simplicity of traditional algorithms like naive Bayes and support vector machines, we plan to explore a unique hybrid approach. This approach seeks to combine the interpretability and computational efficiency of simpler models with the advanced analytical powerness of deep learning models. And the third approach is dataset utilization. We plan to primarily use a Kaggle dataset containing both fake and real news as our main source of data. To enhance the diversity and comprehensiveness of our training data, we will supplement it with additional information from trustworthy news sources and fact checking organizations. And the next topic is implementation. Implementing fake news detection using NLP models involves engram and long short-term memory. And our teammate will explain about implementation.
Hello everyone, coming to the implementation part. So first step, we need to import all the required libraries to run our dataset. Here you see all we import the matplotlib etc libraries we use to require in the dataset. After that, importing the dataset, we have created two datasets like fake news and true news. We need to categorize after the evaluation which news is goes to which one. After that, we just individually tested the datasets like fake news and true news. After that, in the fourth step, we just concatenating, like adding the two datasets to run at the same time. Step 5, after the running individual datasets like fake news, we just got the name, date, like date, length, data type, how many things it have. If you notice, we had links, new headlines inside the date column, which can give us trouble when converting to data time format. Appending two datasets, as I mentioned before, when we providing a dataset for the model, we have to provide it as a single file. So it is better to append both true and fake news data and pre-process it further and perform EDA, exploratory data analysis. By doing exploratory data analysis, we can get the actual we can get the accuracy, like difference between the actual value and the predicted value. Text processing. This and all stuff, and new step words. Visualization forms, count of news subjects. Here are the bar graphs. We just collected different sets of data like news, politics, government, news, left news, US news, etc. We collected from different types of news channels. After that, we just pass our data set through different models like Ngram and LSTM. LSTM works as RNN neural networks. We just need to put our data set into those LSTM so that we can get the accuracy. Like it is a sequential process. Count of fake news and true news. By doing all the analysis, we can get how much of fake news and how much of true news in a data set we can see. N-gram analysis, as you know, in N-gram analysis, we have so many types: unigram, bigram, trigram. So we use trigram here. So like it is the larger data set, we need to, we use trigram. So it is time complexity is very less here. Top two words in the news, all these things. After that, LSTM architecture, world clock, like different news channels, we have taken whether it is fake or true, stemming and vectorizing here. Time frequency, model building. Model building is nothing but passing our data set into the LSTM so that we'll get the sequential models like one by one, like a larger data set. Training the model, we just train the model and test the model successfully. We have the 96% of accuracy, so we can truly say it is a fake news here. So we conclude that in the coding part, LSTM has more accuracy than the BERT. Next thing, my friend will continue.
And here are deliverables for our project. We will deliver the following components like algorithmic code base. In algorithmic code base, a fully documented code repository containing all developed algorithms and models. And the second one is trained models. The final trained models ready for deployment along with their training and validation data. And a project report detailing about our methodologies, experiments, and results. Presentation, a final presentation summarizing our project findings and its potential impact. And the next topic is evaluation methodology. To verify the success of our project, we will implement a robust evaluation methodology encompassing performance metrics, utilizing accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to quantitatively assess model performance. Validation strategy, employing k-fold cross validation to ensure that our model generalizes well to unseen data. And the third one is A/B testing, comparing the performance of our test system with existing benchmarks and conducting blind tests with human participants. And here comes for conclusion. As we confront the challenges of fake news, our project stands as beacon of hope for the restoring truth in media. Moving forward, we aim to continuously update our models with new data to adapt to evaluating fake news tactics, collaborating with social media platforms and new organizations to implement our solution. Seek peer review and community feedback to refine and expand our methodologies. Thank you.